Hi guys, I need to show you in this video the water freezing outside. You can see here that is American flag. We got last 2 days severe snow storm. We didn't got it more than 4 years ago, and there's a lot of alarms to stay inside the home and be warm as we can. And I need to show you here the fountain here. That's senior building, you know, here that is in Knoxville, Tennessee state, the city Knoxville, the state Tennessee. You can see everything is frozen. The temperature is below 20 degrees and also below 40 degrees. So you can see here everything is frozen. So that's just to share that with you, and I hope that severe snow weather will go on fast so we can do our life back well. You can see that fountain, everything is froze. So temperatures below zero, it's like minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. So I just would like to share that video with you so you know which bad weather we got. Everything is frozen, you can see, and on the road there's black ice, and at the highway there's a lot of car accidents. So I hope everyone will be safe and stay inside the home if you can, and be warm as you can. So if you like this video, please just subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.